Google just dropped some game-changing AI features this week. Google Maps now has a built-in AI chatbot that can plan entire road trips for you, plus 3D navigation that shows exactly which lane to drive in. And they released Gemini Embedding 2, a groundbreaking multimodal AI model. Let me show you everything. First up is Ask Maps, which is basically an AI chatbot built directly into Google Maps. You can ask Gemini any question in natural language, and it will give you personalized location recommendations. For example, you can ask, "Find me cozy aesthetic cafes in downtown," and instead of just showing restaurant listings, the AI actually searches through reviews and comments, then summarizes the key points relevant to what you're looking for. It's pulling from real-time traffic data, billions of photos and reviews, and business information. Here's what's really cool. You can ask it to plan my February road trip from San Francisco to LA, and it creates an entire itinerary with the route, activities, must-see locations, and recommended stops. It's like having a personal travel planner built into Maps. The second feature is immersive navigation, and this is a game changer for driving. You get accurate 3D views of buildings, overpasses, different lanes, highways, and terrain around you. This is powered by Gemini AI models. Here's a practical example. When you approach an intersection, it shows you exactly which lane you need to merge into. And if you need to make another turn right after, you can see it in advance and prepare. My favorite part? Highway lane guidance. Anyone who drives on highways knows how confusing it can be with so many lanes. This new Maps clearly shows which lane to drive in with 3D visuals. No more last-minute lane changes or missing your exit. Plus, when you reach your destination, it shows nearby parking lots with estimated walk times. Super practical. These features are rolling out today in the United States and will expand globally over the coming months. Now let's talk about Gemini Embedding 2. This is more technical but important for the future of AI. Google calls it their first natively multimodal embedding model. Let me explain what this means. When you send a prompt to any AI model, it doesn't understand text like humans do. It needs to convert that text into numbers called embeddings. Previously, different content types needed different embedding models. Text had one type of embedding, images had another, audio had another, and so on. Gemini Embedding 2 changes this. It converts every format, including text, images, videos, audio, and documents, into the same embedding space. Everything is unified in one shared dimension. Why does this matter? It allows AI to truly understand relationships between different types of content. You can search for an image that appears in a document or find a specific audio snippet in a long video. The AI understands all these formats together. Technically, it supports over 8,000 tokens for text, up to 6 images per request, up to 120 seconds of video or audio, and PDFs up to 6 pages long. Plus, it works with over 100 languages. This is currently available through Google's API or Vertex AI for developers building AI applications. I've put links to Google's official announcements in the description if you want more details. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.